All right, this is a quick video about the setup of the system kit. I'm going to start, before I do anything else, by putting some tape on these motors so we can see them when they're spinning. But these are the motors that you get. The cables are about 6 feet long. You have the parallel port cable and finally the power cable. So what you do is you take the motor cables and plug them into the motors. I'm going to start with the X, which is the red, go to the yellow, which is the Y, the green is Z, and finally the blue will be the A. I'll come over here, get the parallel port cable, connect it to the DB25 here, and to my signal source, which can be Linux CNC, Machine Kit, Mach 3, Turbo C, anything that does step in direction. Finally, I'll plug it in. It is ready to go. I can come over here and jog my Y, my Z, and my A. And that's it. That's how fast and easy it can be to get your motors running.